Litec na L212 mosquito net. Mosquito net, mosquito killer, electric insect killer. Okay, so ayan, maganda yan ha, kasi umiilaw po yan siya. Okay, so ang haba niya po is 33 cm, yung kanyang lapad is 11 cm, tapos yung kanya naman pong taas is 27 cm. May button po yan na on and off, okay? Tapos fluorescent po yan siya ha. Tapos siya po ay 2x6 watts, UV light tube.
Smooth edge,